How to recover forgotten WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted password 2026. Have you ever been locked out of your WhatsApp backup because you forgot your encryption password? You're not alone, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what your options are, what WhatsApp officially allows, and how to protect yourself from this happening again. Welcome back. Today we're covering WhatsApp's end-to-end encrypted backup password recovery, what's possible, what's not, and the legitimate steps you can actually take right now. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Here you'll see your current backup status. Step 2. Tap Forgot Password. WhatsApp will present you with two official options: reset your encrypted backup, or use your 64-digit encryption key if you saved it when you first set up the backup. Step 3. If you have your 64-digit key, enter it now to regain access. WhatsApp provides this key as a recovery alternative specifically for situations like this. Step 4. If you don't have your key, tap Reset Encrypted Backup. Understand clearly, this deletes your existing encrypted backup permanently. Your chats on your device stay safe, but the cloud backup is reset. Step 5. After resetting, set up a new encrypted backup, and this time save your 64-digit key somewhere secure. A password manager like Google Password Manager or Apple Keychain works perfectly. Pro tip: never rely on memory alone for your encryption password. The moment you enable end-to-end encrypted backup, screenshot or copy your 64-digit key and store it in a trusted password manager immediately. That key is your ultimate safety net, and that's it. You now know exactly how WhatsApp's official recovery process works, why the 64-digit key is so important, and how to make sure you're never stuck in this situation again. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward tech guides, and drop a comment below. Were you able to recover your backup? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.